Hi, I'm Mr. Wong from Genius Plus Academy. One of the most common questions that parents ask is this: how are the lessons in your center conducted? And as the tutor, I find it very difficult to answer this question in a short span of time. Let me explain what goes into the process of crafting a lesson. I have a Lego Millennium Falcon at home. If someone comes up to me and asks, oh, where does a particular piece of the Lego brick fit into the structure, I would not be able to provide an answer because that is something that I have to look in totality, how the structure looks like before I can decide, okay, this is where this particular brick will go. So that is the same structure that we apply when it comes to the design of our lessons. Our lessons are not done on a week-by-week basis where, oh, let me decide what I want to teach for this week and then I plan the lesson this week. No, we always look at the overarching structure of how the lessons should be run in the entire year. What are the specific objectives that we want to achieve at the end of the year? And on a smaller scale, what are specific objectives that we want to achieve for particular topics? So from there, we distill the important questions. Based on how that fits into the structure of the curriculum, we then decide how we want the lessons to be run for the particular week. So in a typical content lesson, for example, what we want to focus on is 1, the tutor needs to impart the content. 2, the students need to understand the content that has been imparted. And then 3, the students need to demonstrate that they have an understanding of the content that has been taught. So that is how a typical lesson will be run in terms of the structure. So based on the lesson resources, we structure the resources in such a way that we are able to ensure that the students fulfill the various objectives that we have set out for the lesson for that particular day. So that fits into the overall theme. When you complete the series of lessons for this particular topic, that is where the student can see progressive improvement in their understanding and knowledge of the subject. So it is very hard for me to explain in singularity how any individual lesson is conducted because we always need to look at the series of lessons as a complete package to ensure that students are learning the right things and not have it done on the whim and fancy of what the tutor wants to convey on any particular week and therefore just plans the lesson as such.